Hi everyone, welcome to the 7th module of GKToday's Banking Awareness course. Today's topic is Major Banking Reforms of the 21st Century. I'm Ritvisha from GKToday and let us begin. What is the current FDI limit in private sector banks without government approval? Your time starts now. Correct answer is 49%. So it's 49% for private banks without the permission of the government, and it can be up to 74% with government's approval. Now, foreign investment was finally allowed entry into banks by the passage of Banking Laws Amendment Bill of 2011. The entry of new banks was expected to create competition, which enabled the banks to improve their operational efficiency. When was National Investment and Infrastructure Fund created? Correct answer is 2015. And this was created as a special fund to deal with stressed assets of banks. Which of these is a financial inclusion scheme that was launched in 2014? Correct answer is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana is a financial inclusion scheme. The idea is to help every citizen of India hold a bank account. Now, as of June 2018, 31 crore bank accounts have been opened as a part of this campaign. Which of these is a priority sector for lending as specified by the RBI? The correct answer is all of the above. So, agriculture and its allied services, micro and small enterprises, housing for the poor, students' education, and other low-income groups that can be helped through banking are a part of priority sector. Now, the RBI has issued guidelines for this, and it issues certificates to meet the priority sector lending targets. Which was the first bank to introduce ATM in India? And this is something we have already revised in our previous video. Correct answer is of course HSBC, which introduced the first ATM in Mumbai in 1987. The full form of HSBC is Hong Kong and Shanghai Bank Corporation. What is the current deposit limit of payment banks? Correct answer is rupees 1 lakh. So what is a payment bank? It's a new model of bank that was conceptualized by the Reserve Bank. So all these wallets that we use, Airtel wallet or Paytm wallet, these are part of the payments bank system. And this was introduced as to be licensed under Section 22 of the Banking Regulation Act of 1949. And these companies will be registered as public limited companies under the Companies Act of 2013. In which year Reserve Bank of India introduced cheque truncation system? Correct answer is 2008. So the idea is to convert checks from physical form to electronic form when sending to the payment bank. This allows for a quicker transaction. What is the minimum paid up equity capital required for small finance banks? Correct answer is rupees 100 crore. To further the objective of financial inclusion, the RBI granted approval in 2016 to 10 entities to set up small finance banks. Each of these banks is to open at least 25% of its branches in areas that do not have any other bank branches. Which was the first public bank to introduce credit cards? Correct answer is Central Bank of India. So this was the first bank to introduce credit card. ICICI was the first bank to introduce internet banking, and as we already learned, HSBC was the first to launch ATMs in India. When was the Banking Codes and Standards Board of India formed? Correct answer is 2006. Banking Codes and Standards Boards of India, or BCSBI, is intended to help consumers receive the services they are supposed to receive in the first place from banks. It's an independent watchdog whose job is to protect consumer interest. That's all for this video. The next one will be up in an hour. If you like this, don't forget to like and share, and also keep subscribed to our channel GK Today to receive updates of our new videos. Until next time, goodbye and good luck.